Alright, so I put an ad out on Facebook Marketplace. I was looking for a push mower with a bag. This one didn't come with a bag, but I have another one in the back that's pretty much the exact same thing that the bag will, pretty sure will fit on. I was told that it didn't run. I hooked up my spark tester there and had my wife pull it over a couple of times. If I can find my, there we go. Choose theirs. There. And the starter motor would engage. Well, it would turn, but the gear on it wouldn't come up and hit the flywheel. So I just put a little bit of WD-40 on it. And here, I'll show you guys. Oh, no, it's not that one. Oh, it's this one. As you can see, there's nobody standing there. So now I'm gonna hook up the battery. Of course, it doesn't sound the greatest, but I'm not gonna complain. This is gonna be a perfect base for the new remote control lawnmower. And here we go. So, a free lawnmower that didn't run, that I really didn't do anything to besides get the starter motor to work and add gas. I'll clean up the carburetor, or I'll just take the other one off of the other deck and put it on this. But even though that motor's going out, that's going to be really nice to have for the remote control lawnmower. And then I can set that up on a servo so the wires will touch, it'll start, and then I can let go and the servo will go back. And then I'll be able to start it up and kill it with my remote. But not too bad. Or a free lawnmower that runs. Have a good one, guys.